Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take off a sweatshirt. Now, you'll need to already have a sweatshirt on you, so I would suggest watching my previous video, how to put on a sweatshirt, if you don't currently have one on. However, once you do that, you can use very similar steps to take off the sweatshirt. Your first step is going to be in the arms. Use your hands to grab these parts of the arms and pull. But you can only do one at a time because then, you're just going to do this. So, I'm going to do my right arm first, where my left hand grabs the sleeve and my right arm backs up. Then, your right hand should be in the middle. You can put it out from underneath so that it's like this. The sweatshirt should now be over your shoulder. Then, you repeat the same thing for the other arm, pulling the sleeve to get your arm through and over so that you can pull your arm out here. Now, both of your arms are out, meaning all you have to do is lift the top over your head and get it all out. I'm no longer wearing a sweatshirt, and you also are the same if you follow these instructions correctly. Anyway, remember to like and subscribe if I helped you, and I'll see you next time.